Hi, my name is Nancy Knopf. I'm with the Kenton County Public Library, and I'm a career change navigator. I work with job seekers every day. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about having your resume ready for the virtual job fair that's coming up. Those of you who are young adults or teens, you'll want to join us on March 30th for our job fair. Now, a lot of summer jobs don't really require a resume, but just an application. But if you do have your resume ready, that puts you one step ahead of other candidates. It shows that you're responsible, that you're ambitious, and that you're ready to work. So let's see how we can get a job application, not an application, but a resume ready, okay? Let's see, let me share my screen. I'm gonna go to my Gmail account. And in here, I'm gonna go all the way up to this little waffle. Can you see that? And I'm gonna pick Google Drive. Now in Google Drive, you can create a resume that lives on the cloud, so you can access it anywhere from any computer. I've got a high school resume in here and a young adult resume that I've already started. And the way I did that was I went to New and then to Google Docs, over to From a Template. And in the templates, I just chose a really simple format. So if this is your first resume, I would say maybe using Swiss. Let me show you the ones I have. So here's a high school resume. Now this person doesn't have any work experience, but she can talk about her extracurricular activities and volunteer experience. That's a great way to demonstrate to employers that you have been building skills even in school that would apply to a job. The objective written here was motivated high school student with proven leadership skills and a history of philanthropic involvement, seeking work experience and professional development opportunities. And here are some examples: being team captain of the high school tennis team, secretary for the student council, and a volunteer with a free store food bank. Then if you go all the way to the bottom, you've also got an opportunity to write in your education. Maybe you put in your GPA. If you've got a really great GPA, that shows that you're a hard worker. And then under skills, you can list some of those things that are reflected also in your extracurricular activities. Obviously, some leadership skills if you're a team captain, and organization skills to work as a secretary. And this person also has 4 years of Spanish language, intermediate level, and computer skills, very important to share with a future employer. Now this is fictitious. I put in Susan Smith, and you'll notice that for her Gmail account, I used her name. You want to keep this simple. You don't want to use a nickname. All right, let's go to another resume. Young adult. Again, I've just used the templates that here on Google Drive, and then I just go all the way up here and I put in a title for it. And then as I'm typing, it saves the resume. So you can version, if you've got a resume you really like, but you want to change it a little bit depending on the employer, this is a great way to do it. And then you can just save the different versions. Now, this person is a young adult who has some experience as a restaurant server. So she can talk a little bit about her skills, that she's personable and efficient, capable of serving a lot of tables and a lot of guests, and very knowledgeable of the cuisine that she's been serving. So then she's got an opportunity here to tell a little bit more about her work experience. Education. And then if you do have an award, I haven't written anything down here, but I have up here as an achievement, I've put in one Server of the Month award 3 times in 2019. Again, showing that not only does she have skills, but that she's a hard worker. So that's just to show you some different template ideas. So if you're in high school, you don't have a lot of paid work experience, you can outline those things that you have done in school. And then if you do have some work experience, you can not only put that in here, but also some of your achievements in your work environment. All right, so that's kind of how that works on Google Docs. Hope that is helpful for you as you prepare for the job fair. All right, have a great afternoon.